Hi all. Now we are going to discuss about smart narrative, how to use in Power BI. So this is also one interesting analyzing tool. So if you are clicking empty space and if you are clicking this smart narrative option, so it will provide like a text box. It will show no summarize found. You didn't select any visuals like that. So how should I use this smart narrative? So you have to click on that visual and you can click the smart narrative. Then it will provide the option about that particular graph. So particular graph, the Mumbai is the highest value. What is the percentage of that particular sum of sales in this Mumbai? Likewise, it is explained. It will explain about that particular graph. So you have to choose the graph on the top. You have to click on the smart narrative. This smart narrative will elaborate the graph which you done. So which one is the highest, what is the sale percentage. Likewise, it will elaborate the detail. Okay. Thanks for watching.